As we age, our muscles change, but we don't have to slow down. Getting older brings many changes, and one of the most noticeable is a gradual loss of muscle strength, especially in our legs. This condition, known as sarcopenia, can make everyday activities like walking, climbing stairs, or standing for long periods more challenging. It can even increase the risk of falls, affecting both independence and quality of life. But here's the good news: while aging is inevitable, muscle weakness doesn't have to be. With the right combination of physical activity and a nutrient-rich diet, we can maintain strong, healthy muscles well into our later years. In fact, there are certain foods that give our bodies exactly what they need to stay active, mobile, and energized. And here's a surprising fact: one of these foods has been shown to improve muscle strength by up to 30% in just a few weeks. Curious which one it is? Keep reading. You'll be adding these powerhouse foods to your grocery list in no time. If you're ready to take charge of your leg strength and mobility, let's dive into the 7 best foods to support muscle health as you age, starting from number 7. 7. Walnuts. Small nuts, big impact. Have you ever noticed that walnuts resemble tiny brains? It turns out they're just as smart for your body as they look, especially when it comes to supporting muscle and bone health in older adults. Let's start with their star nutrient, omega-3 fatty acids. Walnuts are one of the best plant-based sources of these heart and muscle-loving fats. Omega-3s help reduce inflammation, which is often a culprit behind muscle soreness and stiffness in seniors. Less inflammation means better mobility and more comfort, but that's just the beginning. Walnuts are also rich in magnesium, a mineral that's essential for proper muscle contraction and relaxation. Think of magnesium as the orchestra conductor, making sure your muscles move smoothly and don't cramp up, something that becomes more important as we age. They're also packed with protein and healthy fats, giving you steady energy throughout the day while supporting muscle repair and maintenance. Whether you're staying active with walks, workouts, or daily chores, that protein is helping rebuild and preserve muscle tissue. And let's not forget the antioxidants. These little powerhouses act like shields, protecting your muscles from damage and helping them recover more quickly after activity. But here's where walnuts really shine. They're also good for your bones. A study in the Journal of Nutrients found that compounds in walnuts can stimulate the activity of osteoblasts, the cells that build bone tissue. Another study published in the Journal of Medicinal Food showed that women who regularly ate walnuts had better bone density, which is crucial for preventing fractures and maintaining balance. How to enjoy walnuts. Daily add-in. Walnuts to your diet is super simple. A small handful a day, about 1 ounce, is all you need. Try sprinkling them on your morning oatmeal or yogurt, adding them to salads for a tasty crunch, blending them into smoothies, enjoying them on their own as a quick snack. Just remember, moderation is key. Walnuts are calorie-dense, so while they're full of benefits, balance is important. And of course, if you have a nut allergy or health condition, check with your healthcare provider before making any big dietary changes. 6. Salmon, a superfood for strong muscles and better mobility. When it comes to foods that help preserve muscle strength, especially as we age, salmon is a true standout. This rich, flavorful fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which play a key role in reducing inflammation and slowing down age-related muscle loss. Chronic inflammation can speed up muscle breakdown, making it harder to maintain strength and mobility. By adding salmon to your diet, you can tap into its natural anti-inflammatory power, helping your muscles stay strong and your movements fluid. But there's more to salmon than just omega-3s. It's also an excellent source of high-quality protein, exactly what your body needs to repair, rebuild, and maintain muscle mass. As we get older, our muscle mass naturally declines, so getting enough protein becomes even more important. A single serving of salmon contains all the essential amino acids needed for effective muscle recovery, making it a must-have for anyone focused on preserving leg strength and staying active. Another often overlooked benefit of salmon is its vitamin D content. Vitamin D is essential for strong bones, which provide the foundation for healthy muscle function. Unfortunately, many older adults don't get enough of it, especially if they spend limited time in the sun. Regularly enjoying salmon can give your vitamin D levels a natural boost, supporting both bone and muscle health. Salmon is also rich in B vitamins, especially vitamin B12, which supports nerve function and helps your muscles contract properly. A B12 deficiency can lead to fatigue, tingling, and even muscle weakness, especially in the legs. Including B12-rich foods like salmon helps your muscles stay responsive and your legs stable and strong. 5. Greek yogurt, protein, packed and bone-friendly. Next on our list is Greek yogurt, a delicious, creamy powerhouse that does far more than just satisfy your taste buds. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess whey, resulting in a thicker, creamier product that's absolutely packed with protein. And that's great news for your muscles. Greek yogurt offers 2 types of protein, casein, slow digesting, and whey, fast digesting. Together, they provide both immediate and long-lasting support for muscle repair and recovery. This dual-action protein combo is especially beneficial for seniors who are more prone to muscle loss due to aging. Casein provides a steady stream of amino acids over time, preventing breakdown, while whey kicks in quickly to help rebuild muscle after activity. But Greek yogurt's benefits go beyond just protein. It's also a rich source of probiotics, the good bacteria that support gut health. Why does gut health matter? Because a healthy gut means better absorption of key nutrients like calcium, magnesium, and protein, nutrients that are vital for muscle and bone strength. Poor digestion can mean missing out on the very nutrients that support your mobility. Greek yogurt is also packed with calcium, a critical mineral for bone strength. Since your legs carry much of your body weight, strong bones are essential for balance and movement. A lack of calcium can make bones brittle and increase the risk of falls or fractures, something no one wants. With its high calcium and protein content, Greek yogurt is a 1-2 punch for strong legs and stable movement. And let's not forget vitamin B12, another essential nutrient found in Greek yogurt. B12 plays a big role in energy production and neurological function. Without enough B12, you might experience fatigue, muscle weakness, and balance problems. Since many older adults have trouble absorbing B12 from food, including B12-rich options like Greek yogurt can help keep your legs strong and your energy levels steady. 4. Spinach, a leafy green with serious muscle power. Don't let its humble appearance fool you. Spinach is a nutritional powerhouse, and it's especially good for keeping your legs strong and functional. Spinach is loaded with magnesium, a mineral that plays a crucial role in muscle health. Magnesium supports proper muscle contractions, nerve signaling, and helps prevent cramps and spasms, all of which are common concerns as we age. Without enough magnesium, muscle fatigue can set in more quickly, making it harder to stay active and mobile. One of spinach's standout nutrients is nitrate, a naturally occurring compound that's been shown to improve blood flow and circulation. Better circulation means your muscles receive more oxygen and nutrients, helping them work more efficiently and recover faster after physical activity. Spinach isn't just for cartoon characters like Popeye, it's a real-life powerhouse, especially when it comes to keeping your legs strong and active as you age. One of the biggest benefits of spinach comes from its natural nitrate content. Nitrates help expand blood vessels, allowing more oxygen and nutrients to reach your muscles. This means your leg muscles can work more efficiently, feel less tired, and recover faster. For older adults who may deal with poor circulation, spinach can be a game changer when it comes to boosting endurance and mobility, but the magic doesn't stop there. Spinach is also rich in iron, a mineral your body needs to produce red blood cells. These cells carry oxygen throughout your body, including to your muscles. Without enough iron, you can feel tired, weak, and dizzy, symptoms of anemia, which is more common in seniors. Adding iron-rich foods like spinach to your diet helps keep your energy up and your muscles performing at their best. Another star nutrient in spinach is vitamin K, which plays a major role in bone strength. It helps your body properly use calcium, keeping bones strong and reducing the risk of fractures. Since stable bones are the foundation for good balance and mobility, getting enough vitamin K is a must as we age. And don't forget the antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin found in spinach. These natural compounds protect your muscles from oxidative stress, a process that can wear down muscle tissue over time. By fighting off free radicals and inflammation, these antioxidants help keep your muscles in top shape for longer. 3. Eggs. The perfect protein package for muscle strength. Eggs are one of the most complete, nutrient-dense foods out there, and they're especially helpful for maintaining leg strength and overall mobility in seniors. Why? Because eggs are packed with high-quality protein. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your body needs to build, repair, and maintain muscle. As we age, we naturally lose muscle mass, a condition called sarcopenia, which can make walking, standing, and even climbing stairs more difficult. Eating eggs regularly helps provide the protein needed to slow that decline and keep muscles strong. Eggs also shine when it comes to a lesser-known but vital nutrient, choline. Choline is crucial for nerve-muscle communication. It helps your body produce acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter responsible for muscle contractions, balance, coordination. A choline deficiency can lead to fatigue, sluggish reflexes, and poor balance, all of which can increase the risk of falls. That's why eggs are such a smart choice for aging adults. Let's not forget about vitamin D, another key nutrient found in eggs. Vitamin D plays a major role in both bone strength and muscle function. Many older adults don't get enough of it, especially if they spend less time in the sun. Adding eggs to your diet can help boost your vitamin D levels and protect your bones from becoming brittle or weak, lowering your risk of fractures. Eggs are also a great source of B vitamins, especially B6 and B12, which support energy production and red blood cell formation. These vitamins help convert the food you eat into usable energy, keeping your legs moving, your muscles fueled, and your energy levels steady throughout the day. 2. Beans, a plant-based powerhouse for muscle recovery and energy. Beans are more than just a budget-friendly pantry staple. They're an incredible source of nutrition for anyone looking to maintain strong legs and stay active, especially seniors. For starters, beans are packed with plant-based protein, which is essential for building and repairing muscle. Whether you prefer black beans, lentils, chickpeas, or kidney beans, these legumes help preserve muscle mass, a major plus if you're aiming to combat age-related muscle loss. In addition to protein, beans are a rich source of fiber. Fiber helps regulate blood sugar, ensuring a steady release of energy throughout the day. This means fewer crashes and more sustained stamina, something many older adults struggle with. Keeping your energy levels steady helps you stay active, alert, and mobile. Beans also offer a healthy dose of potassium, a mineral that plays a key role in muscle function and cramp prevention. Potassium works alongside sodium to ensure proper muscle contractions and nerve signals. If you've ever experienced leg cramps or muscle spasms, boosting your potassium intake with foods like beans could offer real relief. 1. Beans, a heart-healthy, muscle-boosting superfood. Beans do more than just add fiber to your meals. They're also loaded with iron, an essential nutrient for creating red blood cells and transporting oxygen throughout your body. When your muscles, especially those in your legs, don't get enough oxygen, it can lead to fatigue, dizziness, and muscle weakness. Iron-rich foods like beans help keep your energy up and your legs strong by ensuring proper oxygen flow where it's needed most. But beans have another powerful benefit. They're great for your heart. And since your heart is responsible for pumping oxygen-rich blood to your muscles, good cardiovascular health is directly tied to your ability to move freely and stay active. The soluble fiber in beans helps lower bad LDL cholesterol, which improves circulation and reduces the risk of heart disease, ultimately helping your muscles perform at their best. Bonus food, bananas, a sweet, simple way to power your legs. Bananas might seem like a basic fruit, but they're a nutritional powerhouse, especially when it comes to supporting strong, healthy muscles. One of the biggest benefits of bananas is their natural carbohydrate content, which provides a quick and steady source of energy without the crashes that come from processed sugar. For older adults, this means you can stay active longer without hitting that wall of fatigue. Bananas are a perfect pre- or post-exercise snack, helping fuel your muscles when they need it most. They're also packed with potassium, a crucial electrolyte that helps regulate muscle contractions, nerve function, and hydration. A lack of potassium can lead to leg cramps, muscle weakness, and sluggish circulation. Including bananas in your daily routine can help prevent those uncomfortable muscle issues and support overall mobility. Another important mineral found in bananas is magnesium. This works alongside potassium to ensure your muscles contract and relax smoothly. Low magnesium levels can cause stiffness, twitching, and general leg fatigue, but a banana a day can help keep those symptoms at bay. Plus, bananas contain vitamin B6, which plays a vital role in red blood cell production and oxygen transport. This helps maintain endurance, strength, and healthy circulation, all key factors in keeping your legs strong. Beyond all their nutritional perks, bananas are easy to digest, gentle on sensitive stomachs, and incredibly convenient. No preparation required, just peel and enjoy. For an added boost, pair a banana with protein-rich options like Greek yogurt or a handful of nuts to create a well-balanced, muscle-fueling snack. The bottom line, nourish your legs, nourish your life. Strong legs are key to maintaining independence, balance, and mobility as you age. By adding nutrient-rich foods like salmon, Greek yogurt, spinach, eggs, beans, and bananas to your daily meals, you give your body the tools it needs to stay active, energized, and resilient. These superfoods offer more than just fuel. They help preserve muscle, improve circulation, support nerve and bone health, and prevent weakness. When combined with regular movement and light exercise, a nutrient-packed diet can make a world of difference in how you feel day to day. Small dietary changes can lead to big improvements in strength, stamina, and confidence, helping you stay on your feet and enjoy life to the fullest, no matter your age.